Now, boy, silent.
Oh boy, me check out the hungry. Me too.
Oh boy, the big boy.
You dey hear this aroma? And now Fansu, we come at the right time.
Oh boy, Abba, open now your guys. Hey, everybody. One neck, hey, oh boy. So Abba,
now one
what is the fire now?
Now my guys, they see now they cook now.
Hey, oh boy, that's all.
Nah, now I take it.
No, you don't get while we mount here. We play here the way.
I'm for not ready to chop it.
That food.
Go chop. Come, move. You go like to move back to this guy that you will do us.
I carry money, I carry small money.
I need punch arms.
No one. I say I hold light, my collect. No fast though.
Where get it?
You got it, I want back.
Where you go back?
I don't know. What is not going to come?
Big
Big boy. What the one?
Big.
Papa, you don't finish. We're not water.
Oh, but what thing be that?
Now.
You don't get high. Nah, why you now? Thought be the cook now. Something in job.
So now we you cook this up so they smell all over.
No, let me live for this compound.
Sure. And I don't carry my money go buy food. Oh, but see me, what are you going to go to now?
For this place.
And my transport money now I can't buy food.
See your local soup here.
Hungry man, you want chop?
Thank you very much for watching that Funny Lab Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you Monday and also on Friday. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Book us for any events with the number shown on your screen, please.
That numbers.
People are not subscribing. Please subscribe.
If you don't subscribe, I will call Jenny said.
Please subscribe. If not, we give you mouth order. Take it.